Hello! Good day and welcome to another K-pop merch unboxing video. As most K-pop fans know, there are numerous merch that the idols' agencies release aside from their albums. The most bought item would be the light sticks, which are used to cheer for the idols during their live performances on music shows and concerts. Today, I will be introducing you to the Twice Candybong Z's official accessories. By the way, I have made an unboxing video and app control tutorial for Candybong Z on my previous video, and if you haven't seen it, I'll put the link up here and on the description box. So let's get this started. Just set aside the Candybong Z. The first one would be the Twice Candybong Z pouch. I bought this from With Drama, and you have two options to choose from. One is the black version and another is the white version. There's also the limited edition Twice Lights version, but it is currently sold out. So I just chose the black one. In the front, you will see the Twice logo, almost the same as the Twice Candybong Z's design. And on the bottom part, Twice Candybong Z pouch is written. There's nothing on this side. Nothing on this side. And at the back, you will see the size as well as the materials used. JYP's logo and Copan Global, the designer, and the copyright, as well as the barcode and the sticker. So inside we will be seeing the case wrapped in plastic, but this is unsealed, so you will just have to pull it. And here's the case. The outer shell is made of PC or polycarbonates. Then you have this zipper here and the rings for the straps. And we have here the Twice tag. So it's double zip. Let's open one zipper. And upon opening, you will see the shape of the Candybong Z. So this is where you will be placing our Candybong Z, and another for the Candybong Z power bank. And on this side, you will see a mesh pocket that has the hand strap and the shoulder strap. So this is the hand strap. On the one side, it is written Candybong Z, and on the other side, you'll see Twice. As for the shoulder strap, there's Twice. And so this is adjustable depending on how long you want the strap to be. So, shall we see if this fits? Of course, this will. So you'll be storing your Candybong Z this way. And if you're going to their concert, you'll be choosing between the hand strap or the shoulder strap. So I think I'll go with the shoulder strap. You can also put some batteries here since we don't have the Candybong Z power bank, but in this case I have already put those batteries inside. And now close this. We will be attaching the shoulder straps. Wow, this is great. So I don't have to worry anymore about my Candybong Z being squeezed in my bag when I'm going to their concerts. As you know, concerts in the Philippines, the venues do not permit large bags or huge bags inside the venue, so you'll have to leave them on the baggage counter. So I think this would be great since you don't have to carry a huge bag to put your Candybong Z in. You'll just have to carry a medium size or small bag and just carry this case. I think I'll also use this for storage instead of storing the Candybong Z in its box. And the next one would be the Twice Candybong Z cover. As you can see, this is the Twice logo, and we have here the dimensions, materials used, as well as the credits for JYP Entertainment and Copan Global. So this is in a resealable pouch. And here it is. It is so cute. So this is Lovely's ears. And we have here the Twice logo, and at the back. So this is where we put our Candybong Z body in. Is that the writer? So it is sealed with a magic tape. So let's get our Candybong Z. So how do you put this? So this, since this is the button, I think this will be the front. So twice and twice, and you'll just have to fit your Candybong Z head into this cover. Let's seal it up first. Okay, then after sealing it up, let's fit this. Oh, this is easy. This is not easy. There it goes. It fits perfectly. Oh. As you can see, we have here also the Twice logo. How does it look with the lights on? You can actually see the ears, and the cover totally trapped the light inside, and you just can't see the light coming from both sides instead of seeing the light coming from all over the light stick head. Off. Isn't this just the cutest? By the way, they released another Candybong Z cover version 2, and it has Twice written here. So there it goes, and let's take it off. Since you won't be storing your Candybong Z with these ears, it will be difficult. It will not fit our pouch, and it will not fit the box also. So let's just have it stored separately. And let's put you back into your pouch. Gotta make sure that all air is out before you seal this, so it won't be bulky. Yeah. And shall we store this here also? So I told you, since there is a mesh pocket here, you can also put other accessories. So I was able to fit the Candybong Z cover there. How about when we close this? Will this cause a problem? Let's see. Oh, I was able to seal it perfectly without it being overstretched. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Candybong Z accessories, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for future contents. If you would like to get notified for every uploads, don't forget to click the bell button. And see you in my next video. Bye bye!